Okay, the next question is d square y by dx square plus 6 into dy by dx plus 9y equal to 0. Here how we solve this problem? The solution equal to, first it can be written as a capital D. D nothing but a differential operator, that is d by dx, and the second derivative d square is nothing but d square by dx square. So d by dx, the first derivative is nothing but a d. D nothing but a differential operator, that is capital D nothing but a differential operator. So this can be written as d square by plus 6 into dy plus 9y equal to 0. So from that y is a taken y as a common. So take y as a common. So we get that d square plus 6d plus 9 into y equal to 0. So this is nothing but a function of d. This is nothing but a function of d. Okay. First in this model is f of d into y equal to q of x. So this model is f of d into y equal to 0. That means this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is homogeneous differential equation. That means here there is only a complementary solution is exist. Only complementary solution is exist. Solution is exist. Okay, how we find this complementary solution? So first we take that auxiliary equation. That is, what is auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. So instead of d we can write that m, that is substitute d equal to m. So we get that m square plus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. So this is nothing but, what is that? This is a quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. What is that quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We find the roots. So the roots are getting, that is the roots are, how to find the roots? That is, we do that a into c. For a into c, take as a factors k1 and k2, such that k1 plus k2 that is b, and k1 into k2 that is c. Okay, after that we can select this form, that is 1 here, a is equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to 9. We do that a into c, that is 1 into 9, that is nothing but a 9. So take 9 as a factor, that is factors of 9 equal to 3 3 are 9. If we do the addition, 3 plus 3, we get a b, and if we multiply it by this value 3 into 3, that is a 9. So this is nothing but a k1 and k2. So we can select that m square plus m square plus 6m plus 9, this is equal to 0. This can be written as m square plus 3m plus 3m. So 6m can be written as a 3m plus 3m plus 9 equal to 0. So from that, here m is taken as a common, and here 3 is taken as a common. So finally we get that this is m plus 3 will be taken as a common here. M plus 3 into m plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore m plus 3 equal to 0, this is a one root, and m plus 3 is equal to 0, this is another root. Therefore m value equal to minus 3 and minus 3. Here the roots are real and equal. So therefore the solution y equal to yc equal to c1 plus c2x into e power of mx. This is nothing but c1 plus c2x into e power of mx. M is nothing but a 3. We substitute that c. Therefore y equal to yc is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power minus 3x. ఓకే. సో మనకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో మనం మెయిన్గా చేయాల్సింది ఏమంటే, ఈ విధంగా మనకు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తాడు. ఈ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ని మనం ఎలా చేసుకుంటామంటే, క్యాపిటల్ డీని ఏమనుకుంటామంటే డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటాం, డి బై డిఎక్స్. అట్లాగే డి స్క్వేర్ రాస్తాం. రాసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలంటే దీన్ని దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకేమొస్తుంది, డి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 6d ప్లస్ 9 ఇంటూ వై ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇదంతా మనకి ఏ ఫామ్ ఉంది, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ డి ఇంటూ వై ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనే ఫామ్లో ఉంది. అంటే ఇది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వచ్చిందంటే హోమోజీనియస్ లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో దీంట్లో మనకు రెండు వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ క్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ టర్మ్ రైట్ సైడ్ టర్మ్ 0 అయితే లీనియర్ హోమోజీనియస్ లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. For that we find that solution. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. f of m అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది, మనకు d బదులు m రాస్తాం. దట్ ఈజ్ m స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 6m ప్లస్ 9 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. దీనికి రూట్స్ కనుక్కుంటాం. సో రూట్స్ రెండు రకాలుగా కనుక్కోవచ్చు. బై యూజింగ్ ఏ ఫార్ములా మైనస్ బి ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ బి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac బై 2a అని ఫార్ములా రాయొచ్చు. లేదు అంటే ఇట్లా సింప్లెస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్. ఈ విధంగా చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చు. చేసిన తర్వాత మనకు రూట్స్ వస్తాయి. m ఈక్వల్ టు -3 అండ్ -3 వచ్చింది. నథింగ్ బట్ ద రూట్స్ ఆర్ రియల్ నంబర్స్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్ నంబర్. ద రూట్స్ ఆర్ రియల్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్, then it can be written as yc equal to c1 plus c2x into e power of mx. The m value equal to this value equal to -3. Just we substitute that -3. Okay. And the next question is d square d square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 0. Next one. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముందంటే సో డైరెక్ట్గా మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చినాడంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ డి ఇంటూ వై ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ద సొల్యూషన్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ దట్ డి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3d ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ వై ఈక్వల్ టు 0. This is nothing but f of d. This is nothing but f of d. That is f of d. What is f of d? F of d nothing but d square plus 3d plus 2. Okay. So first we have to take that auxiliary equation. That is auxiliary equation equal to, what is that auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. That is substitute d is equal to m. Substitute d equal to m. That is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. In the same way, this is a quadratic equation. We find the roots. That is a quadratic equation. Compare that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to 3 and c equal to 2. We do that a into c, that is nothing but 1 into 2. 1 into 2, that is nothing but what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. If we do that addition, we get a 3, that is a 1 plus 2. That is a k1 plus k2 that belongs to B, and k1 into k2 that belongs to AC. Okay, we have to select these factors. So this is m square, 3m. 3m can be written as 1m plus 2m plus 2 equal to 0. Take m as a common here, that is m plus 1. 2 as a common, we get that m plus 1. And next m plus 1 into m plus 1 as a common, m plus 2. So therefore m plus 1 equal to 0 and m plus 2 equal to 0. M equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. That is nothing but here roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. So therefore the solution equal to y equal to yc equal to c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power, that is c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. We substitute the values of c1 and c2. m1, what is the value of m1? m1 equal to minus 1. That is one root equal to minus 1. And another root is c2 e power of minus m2x. m2, the second root is minus 2. So therefore this is a solution. Here c1 and c2 are the arbitrary constant. c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. And next that is y double dash plus 8y dash plus 25y equal to 0. So this is a question, y double dash plus 8y dash plus 25y equal to 0. So this can be written as here that y double dash is nothing but the solution equal to y double dash is nothing but d square y dash is nothing but a dy. So therefore it can be written as a d square y plus 8 into dy plus 25y equal to 0. So from that y as a common, d square plus 8d plus 25 into y equal to 0. So this form is f of d into y equal to 0. So we find that auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. That is, what is that? M square plus 8m plus 25 equal to 0. That is m square plus okay. So we find the roots. So దీనికి డైరెక్ట్గా రావు. So we apply the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2e. So this is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So compare. So what is the a value? A equal to 1, b equal to 8 and c equal to 25. Apply the quadratic equation formula. Apply quadratic equation formula. What is the formula? The formula is that is m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So substitute ABC. Substitute ABC. That is nothing but a minus b, that is minus 8 plus or minus 8 square minus 4 a c 2a 2 into 1. This is nothing but a minus b plus or minus root of 64 minus 100 by minus 8 plus or minus 64. 100లో నుంచి 10లో 6 పోతే 4 పోతే 6 36 minus by 2. So we can write that minus 8 plus or minus 36 into I square. So negative ని ఏం రాయొచ్చు అంటే మనం I square is nothing but minus 1 by 2. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందంటే మనకు taken root 36. Root 36 is nothing but minus 8 plus or minus 6 into I. Right. So మనకు నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేది ఏమొస్తుందంటే is minus 8 plus or minus 6i by 2. This is the m value. Therefore, taken 2 as a common here. That is 2 into minus 4 plus or minus 3i by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So therefore m equal to minus 4 plus or minus 3. What is the form? The form equal to a plus or minus ba. The a equal to minus 4 and b equal to 3. That is nothing but roots are complex numbers. Roots are complex numbers, or we say that it is a imaginary numbers. Imaginary number. So what is the solution? That is y equal to yc equal to e power ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Substitute the values of a and b. Substitute a and b. That is e power minus 4x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. So this is a solution. సో కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో ఏమవుతాయంటే మనం డైరెక్ట్గా కరకలేము రూట్స్. సో అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే వి యూజ్ ద ఫార్ములా మైనస్ బి ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ బి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac. సో ఏ ప్రాబ్లంకైనా దీన్ని చేయొచ్చు. మైనస్ బి ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ బి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac అనే ఫార్ములా వచ్చేసి ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయినా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఈ కేసులో మనకి ఏమొచ్చిందంటే కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ వచ్చింది. సో రూట్స్ ఆర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కాంప్లిమెంటరీ సొల్యూషన్? ద కాంప్లిమెంటరీ సొల్యూషన్ ఈక్వల్ టు e power ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Just we substitute the values of a and b. A is nothing but a minus 4 and b is nothing but a 3. Okay. And next okay. The next problem is solve d square y by dx square plus 4 into dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ద సొల్యూషన్ ఈక్వల్ టు సేమ్ ఫార్ములా, దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ d square is nothing but d square by dx square and capital D is nothing but d by dx. So it can be written as d square y plus 4 into dy plus 6y equal to 0. Take y as a common. So therefore we get that this form. Next, this form is f of d into y equal to 0. So therefore it is auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. Therefore f of m is nothing but substitute d, that is substitute d equal to m. It is nothing but m square plus 4m plus 6 equal to 0. So compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is a value equal to 1, b value equal to 4 and c value equal to 6. Apply the formula. Apply, that is m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We substitute ABC. Substitute ABC. That is minus 4 plus or minus 4 square minus 4ac by 2a. Root of 4 16 24. Okay, this is 2 minus 4 plus or minus. So దీని వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది? సో 14 14 6 పోతే 8. 14 6 పోతే ఎంత వస్తుందంటే మనకు 8. ఓకే, మైనస్. సో మైనస్ రాసినాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలంటే ఓకే -8 by 2. So therefore we get that minus 4 plus or minus 8i square by 2. Okay, this is minus 4 plus or minus, this can be written as 4 into 2, 8 can be written as 4 into 2 I square by 2. So therefore the m equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2i into root 2 by 2. Taken 2 as a common, we get minus 2 plus I into root 2 by 2. 2 cancel. Therefore we get that minus 2 plus I root 2. So this form is a plus bi. A equal to minus 2 and b equal to root. So roots are complex numbers. That is roots are plus or minus. This is the form is plus or minus. So roots are imaginary. Are you writing as a complex number? Imaginary numbers. So therefore the solution equal to y equal to yc equal to e power ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. So we get that e power minus 2x c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x. ఇది మనకు సొల్యూషన్. ఈ విధంగా చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో మనకి ఏమొస్తాయంటే రూట్స్ ఆర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఇటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాలి.